And the topic that I'm thinking about, or the way I want the video to play out, is that I think it is super important to have exposure to a variety of industries. And I mean that both from your perspective, because you're talking from a perspective as somebody who's applying, but also from my perspective as a hiring manager. Hiring managers should want to hire from different industries. Showing that range that you're talking about, Himsteak, and also as a manager hiring from that range helps with the domain bias. That's a massive mistake to only say, well, I just want data scientists to have worked for other restaurants. Because all you're doing there is you're inheriting their bias, right? You're letting people bring their previous bias into your business. How can you break the industry norms if you're just following what the rest of the industry is doing, right?